When your stomach decides to sing, why it growls like a hungry animal. Ever notice how your stomach seems to have perfect timing, growling like a wild animal just as you sit down in a quiet meeting or a silent classroom? Well, that's your stomach's way of screaming, "Feed me." The noise, officially known as Borborygmi, try saying that 3 times fast, happens because your digestive system is literally having a party without the food. When your stomach's empty, it starts squeezing the air and digestive juices around like a washing machine on spin cycle, making all those embarrassing noises. So, next time your stomach growls, just tell people it's your body's way of showing off its musical talents.